How to fix McAfee update issues on Windows. 3 quick solutions. Method 1. Run McAfee Diagnose and Repair tool. Step 1. First download the McAfee Diagnose and Repair tool from the official website. Step 2. Open the downloaded file and click Yes to allow the app to make changes. Step 3. Click Start and it'll start scanning and fixing the issue. Step 4. Once the tool fixes the issues, leave feedback for the app if you wish to. Step 5. If the tool doesn't fix the issue, click Contact Support. Step 6. Click Technical Assistance and select PC. Step 7. Choose to chat or phone with the experts for assistance. Method 2. Try updating through an alternative internet connection. Step 1. First click on the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar. Step 2. Select the network you want to connect with, then click Connect. Step 3. If prompted, enter the password and click Next. Step 4. Open McAfee on the system and go to the PC Security tab. Step 5. Click Update this app, then click Check for updates. Step 6. It'll start checking, downloading and installing the updates, which will take some time. Step 7. Once the update is successfully installed, click Done. Method 3. Reinstall McAfee. Step 1. Click on the Windows search bar, then search and open the control panel. Step 2. Click Programs and go to Programs and Features. Step 3. Scroll and select the McAfee program you want to remove and click Uninstall/Change. Step 4. When prompted, click Yes to allow the app to make changes. Step 5. Select McAfee Total Protection and click Uninstall. Step 6. It'll take a few minutes for the app to be completely removed. Step 7. Once the removal process completes, click Restart Now to reboot the system. Step 8. Once done, reinstall the software again. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.